Look what we have today. It's a classic 1969 Camaro SS350, air-conditioned, power steering, power disc brakes, houndstooth deluxe interior, automatic transmission, very nicely restored, numbers matching. Everyone's going to want this car. Go to volocars.com where we have 200 classic cars all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Or you can scan this QR code and it'll bring you right to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is a very nice car. Presents itself really well. Clean, straight metal. Has the cowl hood that all fits nice and square and flush. It's straight. Looking down the side of the car is straight. The fender's clean. Has these wonderful body lines on the fender and door and quarter panel. All the way down to the bottom, even below the bottom, is smooth, clean metal. No bumps or bubbles, anything like that. Lines up beautifully. Jambs look nice. Shuts nice and solid. Quarter panel's clean. Again, all the way to the bottom, real nice. Up here is all smooth and nice and fits nice and shiny. All looking real good. It is a factory hugger orange car. It is code 72 on the tag with the letter B for the black top. But this side just as good. Way down here, all nice and clean. And it's been painted for a few years. It's holding up very well. Here's a little chip right here. This door fits nicely. Here's a chip that's been touched up. Shuts nice and solid. Smooth all the way down to the bottom. All fits very nicely. So the body is exceptionally nice. The paint is very nice, glossy. The hockey stick stripe is painted on. It's smooth to the touch. You can't feel it. It's done in the proper dimensions. Overall, all the emblems and trim and chrome, it's all shiny. It's all straight. It all looks very good. The grille is very nice. Has a spoiler down underneath there, and of course there's one on the trunk. Windshield's crystal clear. That's been replaced. Door handles have been replaced. 15-inch rally wheels. They look like they're 15 by 7. Looks like the trim rings and the derby caps have been replaced. They're nice and shiny. And I'm going to guess that those tires are pretty darn fresh too. They look very fresh. BF Goodrich tires. It's a power top. It's black. It's in real nice shape. There's pictures of it on our website. This is an original correct antenna. And then back here, the bumper, the emblem, all looks real nice. Now, why don't we open it up? I'll show you that deluxe interior and show you all the goodies that are packed under the hood. All right, see what it looks like in the trunk. Well, it's painted nicely under the trunk lid. The jamb is clean. The weather strip is replaced. The rubber mat has been replaced. Has a rally wheel with a Goodyear tire for a spare. Does have a trunk light. Yeah, nice trunk compartment. The well liner is new. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and you'll be notified as new videos are posted. This has the X55 on the cowl tag, which designates SS350. Bottom of the doors are clean. It has deluxe molded door panels. They don't look new, but they look very good. Nice shape. Dash pad probably been replaced. The instrument panel looks to be original, but again, not beat up, not bad at all. It does have a factory tachometer. Heater control panel looks nice. Now this original AM/FM radio isn't what it appears to be. It's actually a modern radio that looks original. It has modern internals, including Bluetooth and hands-free calling. So that's modern. This is all nice factory air car, so it has the vents up here. We put a new glove box liner in here. Has working interior light. Carpet looks pretty fresh. The center console is optional in these cars, and along with the gauges are optional. It has the staple shifter. The shift plate looks new. Original seat belts. The seats are the deluxe seats, and then they're also the houndstooth upholstery, which is very nostalgic in a Camaro, very cool looking. And back here, same thing. The light works at the back of the console. Side panels look real nice. The upholstery looks really good. So overall, nice interior. Visors are good. The mirror might be new. Has the SS steering wheel. Just a nice cruise night car. Go get ice cream. Enjoy it. A lot going on in here, and at the heart of it is the original numbers matching 350 motor, making 300 horsepower. Completely rebuilt. I have the 3-page receipt from a race engine place. It's been balanced, all stock on the outside, the manifolds and valve covers and that sort of thing. It does have roller cam, roller rockers. On top it has the cowl induction air cleaner. Factory air conditioned car. I looked at our service ticket. We did a lot of work to the air conditioning. It has the spring clamp battery cables and a Delco battery. It's all secured properly. And then it has the horns up front here, the radiator, shroud, all that looks proper. Has a clutch fan, alternators new. Has the original AC Delco fuel filter. Then we have power steering. Yeah, we replaced the compressor. It has power brakes. And there's a picture on our website of the trim tag, but there it is, showing that it's an X55, paint code 72. It was a standard black interior originally. It has hood insulation. So very clean, proper, but it's got some nice features here. Michael's going to demonstrate the car for you, and we'll see you in a few minutes. So underneath the car is exceptionally nice. They must have put in a new floor pan because it's just spotless, pristine metal floor painted gloss black. And it looks like the suspension and all that stuff's been gone through. It does have the optional chambered exhaust, dual exhaust with crimped pipe. It's going to sound real nice. Fuel system was replaced, including the tank. Disc brakes in front, drum and back, e-brakes all hooked up. Pretty much everything underneath there looks like it was replaced when they restored the car. The fuel lines, the e-brake cables, the fuel tank, sending unit, all that good stuff. When you look up at the motor, it's nice and clean, Chevy orange. The starter looks fresh. The flywheel cover's there. It has a heavy-duty turbo 400 automatic transmission. The U-joints look fresh on the drive shaft. That leads back to the 12-bolt rear end, but exceptionally clean underneath the car. Very desirable car. Who doesn't want a Hugger Orange 69 Camaro SS 350? And then given all the options and the equipment it has, just a really nice car. Again, one that you can get in, go to any car show, be proud of it, go get ice cream, and enjoy this car. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions, including how to get this Camaro delivered to your door. If you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.